Well, I've just finished work and it's such a beautiful day, it'd be rude not to. Might as well use the car park while it's empty. With goggles on. Excuse me. Well, let's go. Armed. And away. See if I can ride this wall. No, it's too risky with those flags right by it. If I clip the building, my boss will kill me. It's not worth the risk. This fence a bit. Car there. Let's catch this car. Oh, it's my alarm going. Means the fun and games are over, sorry. Gotta go home. Let's do a high dive. Might as well finish off a bit more of the juice out of this pack before I go, eh? Up and over. Loads and loads of power in that. Just missed that. Whee! And let's come back in. Let's bring it back in. My alarm's annoying me now.